Hi everyone, welcome back to I Speak English. My name is Hayley, and in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you 5 teen slang words. Okay, so you might have seen these words kind of knocking around on the internet in the last couple of years and kind of looked at them and thought, what the hell are people talking about? These words are also kind of new for me because I don't use these words regularly when I speak English because I'm not a teenager. So yeah, anyone maybe around the ages of 20, maybe early 20s to teens would probably use these words. So like Gen Z sort of age. Millennials like me probably won't use these words in regular speech. Gen Z people would. So I'm going to teach you 5 of them in a second, but before we get into it, please make sure that you are subscribed and you hit the bell so that you get a notification from me every time I upload a new video. New videos every Saturday, so if you want to learn English weekly, you can do. Just make sure that you hit that bell and you are subscribed. And let's get started. Alright, so 5 teen slang words. Let's take a look then. Our first one is RIZZ. You've probably seen this on the internet, here, there and everywhere. I think it was the word of the year, maybe, last year for 2023, I'm not sure. But RIZZ is your ability to flirt with someone. So if you've got RIZZ, it means you're good at flirting and you're good at getting guys or good at getting girls. Okay. So the way you would use this, you would say, that guy's got mad RIZZ. Okay. He's really good at flirting with people. Okay, so we'd say that you've got RIZZ. RIZZ would be a noun, meaning the ability to flirt. All right, so pretty simple to start off with. RIZZ means flirt. Next up is GOAT. Okay, you've probably seen this quite a few times as well on the internet and wondered what the hell people are talking about. You might have also seen the GOAT emoji, like under, if you're watching a video on social media, and under the video it's just like goat, 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 goat. Okay, it's not talking about the animal goat. GOAT is an acronym and it stands for greatest of all time. So if somebody calls you the GOAT, it's a compliment. It means you're really good at something, basically. For example, LeBron James is the GOAT. Okay, he's the greatest basketball player of all time. Okay, but someone can call you the GOAT as well if you're just really good at something, or if you win something, or maybe if they just admire you, you're the GOAT. Okay, so greatest of all time is GOAT. Alright, so next up is drip. Again, bit of a confusing word. Drip is normally a verb, which is when water slowly exits, like from a tap, when it just goes boop, boop, boop. That means to drip. However, in Gen Z slang, in teen slang, that's not what it means. Drip actually means clothes. Clothes or accessories, whatever you're wearing. Shoes can also be shoes as well. So drip literally means clothes. So the way that you would use this is if someone said to you, for example, I love the drip, it means I love the clothes that you're wearing. Or, for example, oh, that guy's got mad drip. Again, they've got amazing clothes. I love their clothes. So drip literally means clothes. I know, it's weird, but language evolves. We move on. All right, moving on. Smacks or slaps. Okay, another weird word. So normally smack or slap in English means to hit somebody with your hand. If you slap somebody in the face, you literally do this. So that's a smack or a slap in normal, standard English. In teen slang, it means something's good. If something slaps or something smacks, it's good. Often I've heard this used in the context of food quite a lot. For example, pineapple on pizza slaps. Okay, it doesn't. I hate pineapple on pizza. And if you think pineapple on pizza slaps, there's something wrong with you. Come at me in the comments, I don't care, but it's awful. Anyway, you could say pineapple on pizza slaps if you're a maniac. Whereas the rest of us sane people would say that pineapple on pizza doesn't slap. But there you go, slap or smack is a verb. Something slaps or something smacks if it's really good. All right, and on to our final teen slang word. This is basic. Okay, basic normally means kind of standard or kind of the lowest level of something if it's basic. In Gen Z slang, it means it's boring, but boring in the way that everyone else does this thing. Boring in the way that it's no different from everything else. Okay, for example, that outfit is so basic. Okay, what you're wearing is the same as everyone else and it's really boring. It's really dull. It's basic. Okay, so basic, boring. All right, and there you go. There you have it. 5 teen slang words in English. I'll be doing another video with more teen slang if you want to watch it. If you found this video useful and you learned some new words, please do give it a like. It really helps for it to reach more people so that they can learn more slang as well. And make sure that you are subscribed and you hit the bell so that you can learn English with me every week. Right, that's all from me, and I'll see you in another video soon. All right, bye.